Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I did this analysis yesterday, and I will say, just from a total chart geek like I am, I mean, it brings a tear to my eye. Just absolutely beautiful price movement. And I mean, this is one of those charts where you could, grab it and place it into a textbook in terms of how you want to see prices act around certain areas. From a technical perspective. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Thursday. But even if you didn't, a quick recap. I talked pretty extensively about that purple line there, which on my chart is the very famous 50-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day, and you know that, at least from a bullish perspective, when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it, because that implies that the overall trend is still very healthy. So I commented quite a bit about how the price managed to close right at that level. And then you look at after today's price movement and just an absolutely beautiful bounce. I mean, this is just textbook classic stuff. Pull back to the 50 period and now got the bounce to it. So now the question definitely transitions going into next week. Okay, can the price build upon this bounce? Can the bulls, sustain this momentum? And what do I mean by build upon the bounce? And I get it, that's just a sound bite, but that's also kind of the cool thing about charts is they allow you to take sound bites and then, assign numerical values to them. So in my mind, build upon the bounce has everything to do with this area up here at 001, meaning if the bulls can get some more momentum and build upon it, then first off, let's see if the price can get up there. And then if the price can break above there, while there is no such thing as a guarantee in the world of stocks or anything, it would not be shocking to see that really trigger that much more buying and such, because that's a key technical level also from the resistance standpoint. I mean, you look right there, and the price has struggled to get above that quite a bit. But just the fact that it's pulled such a textbook move where it bounced off of there, that could certainly generate quite a bit of organic volume. But one step at a time. The first thing is, it's got to chip away through 0008 and 0009 and then focus on 001. But the point here being, and this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part, I assure you many people out there have noticed the same thing or wondering the same thing. Hey, that was a great bounce off that moving average. Can the bulls sustain and get some more momentum? We'll see what happens with it, but let's see if the bulls can get up there and give 001 another run for its money. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.